Pause करो. Pause. So here is a patient who was operated for implants in the maxilla, and it's a sinus lift case. Indirect sinus lift was done. Little kind of flapless surgery, what we did, and I'm going to just give you a little brief on the patient. That he's an ex-army person, 81 years old. He would share with you his experience about the power strips, what were used on so many patients, and he's one of the patient who has used it, and he will tell himself how he felt after the use of the power strip, which was placed on the region of the maxilla on the top after the implants were placed, and what kind of feeling came up. He would share his experience regarding the FG Express power strips. Sir, there you go.
Initially, I was little scared about the major surgery being done, whether it will bleed, whether it will pain, whether it will heal quickly. But I am glad to tell you that after the surgery, I felt absolutely normal, and within a period of 3-4 days, I am feeling quite healthy and thankful to the doctor who did this operation. I have got no complaint, no pain, no other side effect. In fact, I feel like chewing on both sides of the mouth now.
Sir, when we placed that strip on the top, on the maxilla, when you went off to home, any kind of discomfort or any kind of pain you felt, or what was the experience after placing the strips on?
I didn't feel anything abnormal. I was complete normal. I rested for the day, and that's all. I slept well, I ate well, and I felt good.
Wonderful. So that's the power of the power strips. What we are trying to tell the people around and the patients how effective they are, and this is the feedback from the patients coming back, and we have used it. I have personally used it in dentistry and see how the things work, and I must say this is a wonderful product. Reason being, the best part is trying to cut down the pills or the painkillers, which are certainly affecting. They have their own side effects. The rest, everything has its own side effects, but certainly what I personally feel is, after the usage on so many patients, I didn't hear anything negative from any of the patients, right? So there you go. God bless. We'll have lots and lots of more comfort coming for the patients. Thank you.